Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the multi-action progress overlay on Stream Deck. To do it, you should point on this settings icon and then find Style tab. Then you'll find multi-action, and if you enable the progress overlay, then if you create any multi-action and click on it, it'll overlay like a circle of progress on top of that multi-action once you click on it, and you'll know how long in the process are you. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.